Okay, so we have a quadrilateral, blah, blah, blah. Find B, D, B, D. Okay, so we will be using sine cosine rule here because it's not a right angle triangle. Now notice all of these angles here are in radians, so we need to make sure our calculator is in radians mode if we're going to use the sine, cos and tan buttons. So if we're trying to find this linked here, let's call that x. We've got the side, the angle opposite it, or we're trying to find the side and the angle opposite, and we have another length and the angle opposite that. So we're going to be using the sine rule. So BD over sine 1.75 is going to be equal to 7 over sine 0.82. So BD is going to be 7 over sine 0.82 multiplied by sine 1.75. So calculator, in the mode, we're going to change to radians, and then just stick it in. So alpha y equals 7 over sine 0.82 multiplied by sine 0.75 gives us 9.42. Oops. Okay, find angle DBC, DBC. So we're trying to find this angle here. We now have, because we know this is 9.42, we now have 3 side lengths and 1 angle for this triangle, so we'll be using the cosine rule. So we are, oh I forget, you're given it, yes, you're given this version. So we're trying to find an angle, so this is the one that we're interested in. Oops. So looking at this particular format of the thing, this is obviously theta. Angle C is opposite side length C, so this value here at the end must be the 12, and the A and the B doesn't matter which one's which. One's 8 and one's 9.42. So we would have, I'm trying to see so you can see it. So cos theta equals 9.42 squared plus 8 squared minus 12 squared over 2 times 9.42 times 8. Oops, not squared. It's not squared there. Oh, that's a 2. Oh my gosh, Miss Harrison, driving me drum writing. Alright, so stick that in the calc. So 9.42 squared. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Squared. Oh, goodness sake. Plus 8 squared minus 12 squared over 2 times 9.42 times 8. Did I hit it? Oh. Okay. And inverse cos. So it gives you 1 point, so theta is 1.51 radians. Find the equation of the vertical asymptote. We know that vertical asymptotes are when about here. Normally, the asymptote for the log function would be the y-axis, but this -3 means that the whole graph shifted to the right 3 units, which means that this equation must be x equals 3. Oops. Find the x-intercept of the graph. Okay, the easiest way of doing that is to draw a graph on the calculator, so 2 ln x minus 3. 2 ln x minus 3. Best thing is to view what we can see here. So we don't know the y range, but we do know we want to go up to at least 10 on the x-axis. So we'll check our window. So let's just go from -2 to 12, for example. Let's go up to 5 and see what that looks like. Right, so we need to find where it crosses the y-axis, so we're calculating the 0, so left bound, right bound, so that is when x is 4. Oh, goodness sake. The region enclosed with the x-axis, the line x equals 10, so it's the volumes of revolution. So here, 4 is our lower bound, and we're rotating this part here. So, sorry, let's go back here. Okay, we know that volumes of revolution is between 10 and 4. Pi is out here, and it's 2 ln x minus 3 squared. Alright, so all we have to do is stick a bracket in here. Well, this is one option. Let's square it, and we can calculate the integral. Lower bound is 4, upper bound is 10. So that's given us 45.05, and that's multiplied by pi. So that is one option. Or we go to the calc and we do math number 9, and we do a similar thing. So we've got 4, 10. Here we can actually, we'll do the multiply by pi afterwards. So we've got, what is it? 2 ln x minus 3. 2 ln x minus 3. We know with x we have to, I think we have to put a bracket in here. Oh, not there. And we're going to square that. I'm going to have to go and get rid of that initial bracket. enter. Okay, so we've got 22 point, oh, it's giving us a different answer. Rather than have it recording while I put it in. Note, I didn't have my brackets around the whole thing. It was just trying to integrate the x minus 3 was only squared, so make sure your brackets around the whole thing. So that's given us the same value. And obviously we multiply that by pi. Gives us 141.5 to 142.